guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So we are back again with another Boxycharm review, and of course we are reviewing December's Boxycharm. As you may already know, if you've already watched one of my reviews, I'm not paid for this. I do pay for my own subscription box. I haven't been contacted or anything like that. Like, I am just providing a monthly review of what I think of my subscription box, what I receive, and if it's worth it for me. So first and foremost, typically what I like to do is test out the products first for a little bit. And while I'm doing my review, I'm typically either wearing or testing or have already tested everything before I let you know my thoughts about the products. So let's go ahead and get into these reviews, shall we? So the first thing that I received in the December box was this little palette here, and it is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood palette. Here is what the eyeshadows are looking like. So I feel like, you know, the 6-color palette, like it's nice. I currently have this eyeshadow on, and pretty much all my eyeshadow, everything is from this palette. I don't mind it. In regards to blendability and quality, it's great. But would I have purchased this on my own? No, probably not. I don't hate it, but it's just too basic, and I don't know. I could have done without this palette, honestly, and I don't know how much I will actually use it moving forward. Probably very rarely, if not at all. Maybe I'll give it away, and that's just me being real. The retail value for this palette is $35, honey. More than the subscription box, but not worth it. Okay, so the next thing that I received is this base oil by Elemis, and it is their Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil. And I actually really love this. I love moisturizing skin products. That's what I always gravitate to. And for me, this is right up there. I put it on after I put like my moisturizer and stuff, and I kind of like, I feel like I'm sealing in the moisture with this oil, but I love it so much. And it smells so good. If you don't mind the smell of rose, then you will like it too. But it's really like probably my favorite thing that I received in this month's box. So this face oil retails at $79. So that's almost about 3 subscription boxes, pretty much, is the cost for this one facial oil. I will say that what I like about the box and receiving it is that I would not have purchased a $79 facial oil on my own unless it was like freaking Fountain of Youth magic kind of thing. Like, this is not something I would purchase on my own. So I appreciate that I get things that normally I wouldn't maybe buy on my own. But once I've tried them, then maybe I will be like, okay, it was worth it. I could spend some coin on that. You know what I mean? So yeah, in my opinion, just receiving this alone, totally worth it for me. I love this type of stuff, so love this. So the next thing that I received in my box was this little blush here, Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. So here's the blush, and I am wearing it right now. But I like it. It's a blush. It's nice. Kind of neutral about it. I don't love it. I definitely don't hate it. I like it. I probably will use it. Not my favorite, but I will definitely use it more than testing it out and checking it out. So something that I like. I definitely wouldn't have bought this on my own, especially this shade. It's not the typical blush shades that I gravitate towards, but I like it. I'm happy with it. It is what it is. Not excited, but not disappointed. This blush retails at $26, so practically the price of your box. The next thing that I received was this little conditioning lip polish here, and it is by Seraphine Botanicals. So the purpose of this is to exfoliate and condition your lips. I really did not like this. I felt like it did not do what it says that it was supposed to do. I definitely will not be purchasing it again. I gave it 3 tries and honestly, like, scrubbed my lips and all that and didn't feel like they were conditioned, didn't feel like they were softer, didn't feel like they were moisturized, just felt like I had oil on my lips, and that's it. So I don't know, you know, maybe because my lips are a little bit bigger, I don't know, honestly. It just didn't meet my expectations and I don't like it. And hopefully I can either give it away to somebody who maybe can get better use out of it than myself. Sorry, not sorry. This I will not be purchasing on my own or ever using again. This alone retails at $24. I would not buy this if it were $5. So, didn't work for me, but maybe it can work for you. You never know. The final thing that I received in my box, okay, I need to relax. Last thing that I received was this little brow bar makeover kit. I did do my eyebrows with this little kit, and you know, it works, as you can see, but I'm not a powder kind of girl. So let me just show you real quick. It's like two powders here, and then this is like a highlighter that you're supposed to, you know, highlight your brow under the brow bone. And then it has a little brush that comes with it. And this little thing comes inside, and it's a brow sculpting gel. And it's tinted and everything. But I mean, I'm neutral about it. I don't hate it. I might continue to use it. Definitely not every day, because I have my go-to, like, Anastasia Dip Brow. That's my go-to most of the time. I do like to try new brow things, so I'm glad that I received it, but it's definitely not going to be my go-to main squeeze. You know what I mean? I feel like I could incorporate it in just like an everyday brow, like something quicker, less sculpted, and not as bold. It still kind of gives a bold look, but not what I'm looking for. And this here retails at $30. So personally, would I go out and spend the $30 on my own to buy this brow makeover kit? No, I could just tell you that right now. If I'm going to spend $30 on brow makeup, it's going to be on something that, you know, is tried and true, that I know works well for me. Then that's what I'm going to spend my coins on. But once again, I appreciate being able to try different stuff, because I still do like to venture out and try different brow products. This is just not one that I will be purchasing, but maybe I'll still use. That's pretty much it. Not pretty much, I mean, it's it. That's it. We're done. There's no more. That's all the items that I received in my Boxycharm box for December 2019. And overall, the total value of the box is $194. $194. That's a lot. That's a lot for what you pay. So you're paying $26 or however much the subscription is. It's under $30, and you're getting $194 worth. To me, that's not bad. Like I said, as long as you're happy with the majority of what you got, it's worth your money. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below, over here, down below. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.